So, guys, I'm not into speculative stocks and we like to focus on value. But while the whole market is down today, I'm taking advantage of this high volume opportunity over here on CTM stock. So, CTM is Castellar Technologies, I believe it's called, and they are up 71% and some change today. It's been absolutely insane to see this stock push up from what was just earlier this month on the 23rd, 41 cents, up to what is now $2.38. Guys, I've been talking with a lot of people about this stock just because of the pure speculative hold and hope that I'm seeing from a lot of the market. And I got in here. We're up a little bit over $100 just to test the waters a little bit. And I want to do a quick analysis again because we did an analysis on the stock a little bit ago. The volume was insane. The gains have been insane, but the value was not insane at all as far as what we could find from doing our analysis. So there's three things that we look at in a stock. For CTM stock, we'll look at here the technicals. Then we'll look at what is the news or the analysis, and we'll then look at, well, I messed that up. Okay, there's three things we look at when we're looking at a stock. First, we look at the market. The second thing we do is our analysis, and the third thing we do is we look at the plan and what could be for the future of the stock. So here, there was a Fed sell-off there, I believe it was. Yep. But when we look at that, then it looks kind of overextended. It almost looks consistent. The reason I discount this because this was a little bit of an artificial widespread market sell-off that we saw. Um, okay, and then here is what is the resistance, I guess? Is that resistance? What do you guys think? Should I be like that? I don't know. Oh, I think probably what could be kind of fair is to kind of go like that, I guess. That looks a little more like discounting big, insane swings looks a little more valuable, but I'd say we're kind of like that. I mean, the way I'm investing it in my speculative ways here that I don't encourage you guys to really do, um, this almost could be here's a rising support resistance. There's a support if it's a hyper bull case. If it's a hyper bull case, that makes sense. For like, wow, that's, yeah, like this previous resistance, it bounced, see? So the technical side of things looks like here's a resistance, here's a support. Broke it a little bit here. Obviously, that was a liquidity sweep midday, and then it bounced right here. And we see it starting to continue up. Now it's at this previous resistance, but really that previous resistance could be classified a little bit higher. So we'll see. Um, Now we're looking, so there's the level. So right, just looking at that, if we see it get back to the highs and we're on a hyper bull case here, we'd be looking at 25 to 30% increase from here, 73%, although it's already up 74% today. Now, if we're looking at, okay, this is insane, the volume can't sustain, the liquidity is not there. Here is a 20% drop that could be quite probable as well. I got in right here. I saw this recovery and I saw it breaking above this resistance, and I thought this is just hyper bullish. I'm gonna buy it in a speculative yet playing momentum. We also saw something in the candles here. If I just get on the 5 minute, um, the strength was holding. It pulled back down to here, and I saw that it was showing really big signs of bullish uptrend. So that's why I bought in. And again, fully technical. I didn't look at the news because I already looked at the news, and we're gonna have to look at it again right now. Okay, so that's kind of how it looks. It looks pretty risky. I want to encourage any of you guys to really buy right now, but let's take a look at the news. Okay. Now, last thing I want to see is like 50 articles that are like, it's going to $12, it's going to $50. Like, I actually want to see literal, actual hard evidence. But like, I mean, you guys know what I mean. Let's click here, Globe Newswire. Okay, SEC filing. There's, you know, some forward-looking statements about I don't know, maybe something they're filing with SEC. That's really nothing, and that's on their website. And then we look, let's investing.com. Let's see what investing. CTM soars to 52-week high, touches $2.22 amid growth. All right, remarkable, suggesting investors should exercise caution. Okay, that goes without saying. That's good. Profit margin 41%. Okay. Wait, was that the actual company? While the company maintains a good overall financial health score and shows a solid gross profit margin, we'll have to look at their net. That's something we have to look at. CTM's, and we'll get to the financials. Valuation skyrocketing. Okay, this is just picks. This is what I'm saying. Everybody's saying, here's my price target. Here's my price target. I think it's going to $12. Where is like, where's the hard tech? I need to see some real tech in underlying value. And somebody sent me an article because I swear I did this analysis and somebody said, "Will, you're obviously not digging deep enough. You didn't see that they have really great tech or something." Someone said something like that, and I was like, "Send me the article," and they didn't send me the article, so I don't know what to say, guys. Castellar, I think it's called Castellar stock. Trying to go to their website. Let's try and go to their website. What do you guys think? Castellum. There we go. Let's go to Castellum Inc. Do they have any new? Well, before we get into it, news. There's a contract that's on demand for the government. That's not something that is extremely rare. Every single thing that we see about companies like Big Bear's there, a lot of smaller cap companies get this on-demand government service contracts. It says they'll be focused on intelligence services, technical engineering, research, development, and management advisory. I love it, but okay. So again, let's go to the website, see what they have. And let's take a look at that position again. How's it doing? All right, we're up over $300. Had to do that because our widespread positions in the quantum AI and computing are down today. IONQ is the one we're in today. We're down a little bit over 4% over there. Now, again, here is the website. Any new stuff? I don't see anything. Nothing new. I see like first new contract win. This is a new contract win. Okay. Let's see. Epic Systems, a new $4.1 million contract for electronic warfare software engineering services. Company focused on federal government. Epic Systems. Let's check out Epic Systems. Some contract vehicles. Okay. Something's like fishy about this website. Do they have like a bunch of software engineer job openings or something? Ooh. Well, I don't know. Maybe it's just old school. That's what's getting to me, but something seems off about it. It's just the communication, guys. It's the communication. When companies are like, blah, 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 we lead with innovation, our company, and blah, 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 like skilled IT professionals. We collaborate closely with our clients, but I never understand what it is that the company's doing. Like, okay, advanced data analytics. Federal agencies transform their disparate and large data sets into meaningful insights. That's good. Okay, so they most likely got a government contract of some sort. And now they're partnering with this CTM company to work in the technology space with them. So computing, artificial intelligence is what they're getting into. That's good. Robotic process automation. Okay. I like it. Sounds really nice. I like to look at this stock more, if they are a stock. Doesn't seem like they are. Do they have CTM listed as a partnership? Oh, they're partnered with AWS, partnered with Microsoft, Yes, they do have CTM listed. That's good news. Oh, Raytheon Technologies they have listed. Okay. General Dynamics. Okay. All right. Finally, I'm seeing some good stuff. You see Castellum there. CTM. That's good news. Okay, and Castellum is working with them on this contract that is with its protege Epic Systems, and they won the contract to service who? National Science Foundation. Okay, this is a government contract. Okay, all right. Actually, guys, there's some substance here. There's some substance here. I would imagine there's a tremendous amount of data in U.S. National Science Foundation. I mean, you could say wildlife, you could say the parks, but you could also see our areas of focus. You could also say there's a tremendous amount of data changing in how much data is being used for AI, Arctic and Atlantic astronomy and space, biology. This is where they focus. I wonder if it says the specific area of focus. It did, right? Um, the contract. I would love to see succeed with more larger wins. Helping disadvantaged businesses succeed. So maybe they're not in the wildlife space. Maybe they're more computing or STEM, engineering, or even facilities infrastructures, kind of like the government businesses, um, and in the research and development. I could see that. I could see that. Okay. All right. All right. Interesting. $4.1 million contract. I wonder if it's a $4.1 million contract or it has nothing to do with like just finding funding. Yeah, it's probably finding funding. That's actually how it works. If you want to get a contract, they probably applied through here to say we can help you with boom boom boom, and the government said yeah, and they were very legit. I don't know if that's how it went, but okay. How's the stock doing? Up. I'm up over $500. 489, $475. Okay. $550. Wow. Okay. Well, that's good. That was one of those moments where I saw the technicals and I was like, oh, this makes sense. Let's buy it and then I'll do some more research. Oh my gosh. But I appreciate you all. We just wrapped up our live session in Stockmate this morning. So imagining there's going to be some great opportunities that present themselves with these quantum computing companies. If you'd like to watch me trade live every day at Market Open and get access to a community of traders, investors, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, options, crypto, and all that, I would encourage you guys to check that second link down below, Stockmate. We have a sale to the end of the year. It's $150 off when you enroll in our lifetime access one-time payment. And when we look at Stockmate AI and some of the companies that are being impacted, you guys see AMD stock here? Guess what? If AMD stock, let's look at AMD. All right, there we go. If AMD stock by March 20th, which we've seen it run, you guys see AMD stock, see this trend here? If AMD stock hits $160 a share, okay, so let's say that it pushes up what would be from here to 160, be a 27% increase. We've seen it happen in a period of 5 to 10 days. If that happens, guess what? You'll get Stockmate absolutely free. That's right. I have a very large call position. That's why I'm able to offer this, and I'm happy to offer it to you guys. If AMD stock hits 160 in a current sale and you buy in this allotted time that the sale is available, read the fine print on the website because I can't have the sale available forever. As you guys know, there would be legalities. YouTube videos stay up a long time. But in our current sale right now, it's December 30th. You can check the website. But if you're here right now, if you buy Stockmate, you'll get to enjoy all the value, get to watch me trade live every day at Market Open, see us take advantage of these opportunities. But at the same time, you'll actually get StockBait for free, full refund if it hits $160 a share with our current sale that's available. And if you just make sure you read everything and make sure that it's still available, because it might not be available in the future. So if you're watching it now, keep that in mind. That could definitely happen right here. 160, guys. AMD stock by March 20th. You got 3 months really and 20 days for it to hit $160 a share, and it's free. All right, guys. Appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching. If I hear your thumbs up, hit that like button. Do consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.